right, what's up, folks? It's Cooking with the Jacobs, and what we got going down today it's a little crab ball. We finna ball, some got like 2 packs of these snow crabs, and man, you see them. Look at that price, man. These boys ain't tripping with these crabs no more. Shoot. Excuse me. Yeah, stuff done went up, but yeah, snow crabs. We got pig feet right there. I got some turkey necks I'm gonna throw in there. I got these Zumo sausages. I'm gonna take them and chop them boys in half and drop them in there. I got a little 12-pack of corn and some red potatoes, and of course, I got me some shrimp right here, about 5 pounds of shrimp. I'm dropping all that in there, and also I'm gonna put a few eggs in that thing and see what it do. But I'm about to get it going. But this is our snow crab shrimp ball, putting it down for my wife for Mother's Day, and I'll be back when I get to the pot. All right, folks, this is my pot that I'm doing it in. I mean, we're not doing nothing major, so the pot is not that big. There go my water. Fill it up about a little bit over halfway. Got my propane, got that. When you light this thing, just make sure you don't set yourself on fire. Today, I'm using Louisiana's crawfish ball seasoning, and I'm gonna wait for it to get to a ball, and I'm gonna drop this in there. I'm gonna put a little lemon juice in there, and probably some garlic and some butter and stuff. So let me go and light this thing and get it going, and I'll be back. All right, what up, folks? We about to check this water. She's doing this hot. Make sure you got you some gloves, man. These tops get hot. I'm gonna go ahead on and drop some seasoning in there. It's about there. It's about there. So go ahead on. Now this is oh, my bad. This is probably about a half a bag or something. So I'm gonna go ahead on and should I? Yeah, it's going. All right. Now I got about this much left in the bag, so I poured about half of it in there. Gonna see what it do, cause it's a shrimp, crab, so and the pot is not as big as what we would normally use to cook crawfish in. So I'm gonna let that roll. I'm gonna put some juice in there, some lemon juice, lime juice, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna drop some butter in there too. All right, and I don't know, I'm feeling a little extra today. I'm gonna drop this in there, whole onion. I'm gonna put 1 stick of butter in there. I had like 2 halves, so I'm gonna drop this in there. Need some garlic, so I got some minced garlic. I mean, you could throw some straight up raw garlic up in there, but I don't have none. I'm gonna use this. All right, 1 more spoon. That's good enough for me. All right, now I'm finna go get the potatoes and the stuff I'm about to drop in here right now. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Yeah, put a little bit more in there. Yeah. That should be good. A little bit more. Man, we're gonna kill that bag. Yeah. All right, people, I'm finna go ahead on. I'm finna drop these pig feet up in there. Putting them on. Normally I would probably try and do this separate, but we not. Because you got to cook this for at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours for it to be tender. So I'm finna drop the pig feet up in there. Let that go on. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Wash the water. You don't want to splash on you. We're gonna let this roll. All right, there go the pig feet. Got them necks, them turkey necks. That's necks. And this pretty much all I got is 1 pack. because it's, you know, just me and the family. Do it according to, you know, how many people you got coming through. Gonna drop that in there. Also with that, we're gonna let these potatoes go on in there with them. All right, let them go and do what they gonna do. Now we about to let this roll. It's gonna be I'm gonna probably come back and check it in about 30 to 45 minutes, cause check the potatoes, and they'll be the ones probably coming out first. I'll be back. All right, what up, folks? We 40 minutes in on this ball. I'm finna check these potatoes, cause they might be ready to come on up out of there. Yeah, I think they ready. I'm about to get these potatoes up out of here, but the necks and the feet, we're gonna let them roll. I'll show you what it look like, you know, after I take the potatoes out. All right, this is still the necks and the pig feet. I'm finna just put them back in the water, and I'm about to relight this fire, and I'm about to come back with some corn and the sausage. All right, folks, this is that pack of Zumos. I chopped them all in half. Gonna go and drop them in there. I should have split these ends over here, but we're gonna work it out. We'll work it out. Here go the corn. Drop all that in now. Alright, we're gonna let that roll till they probably about 15 minutes. I'll come back and check in about 15 minutes. Alright, folks, it probably ain't been quite 15 minutes, but the sauces look good. I'm about to cut this off, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just gonna cut that fire off. We're gonna let them things sit probably about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out. All right, it done probably been a good 5 or whatever minutes. We're gonna go on, let it drain, and we're gonna take the corn and the sausage out. We're gonna leave the pig feet and the turkey necks in there. But this corn is ready to come out. And these sauces, they ready, they good and plump. And corn don't take that long to cook, because you don't really want to bust up your kernels on your corn. All right, that's the corn, potatoes, and sauces in here. I'm about to close it up because, you know, keep it hot while it's in this ice chest. It's still cooking. I'm about to light this thing back up, but I'm gonna add a little more water in it since it done went down, and shrimp is next. All right, folks, we're gonna drop these shrimp in there. Sure, I'm thinking about putting the crabs in here too. I don't know. Let's see what it do. This is 5 pounds of shrimp, already pre-peeled, deveined, and all that other good stuff. They still frozen a little bit too, but it'll be all right. I think I might go and put the crabs in there too. Let me get the crabs. All right, I go to crabs. See how big them bad boys is. Let's see if we can work this out. Yeah, they still frozen, but that don't matter. Gonna let that water get to them. We're gonna let it go and get to a ball, and make sure them it's good and hot. Then we'll probably cut it off and let it sit too. All right, folks. This thing that came to a ball. About to cut it off, and I mean, as soon as it comes to a ball, you can cut it off. And I mean, if your water hot enough, shoot, you ain't got to cut it on. But we're gonna let this thing marinate. We're gonna let it sit about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it out, and that'll be it for the crabs and the shrimp. We'll just have to do a little tester on on the pig feet and the turkey necks that's in there. So we'll be back. All right, this is what we got going on. What's going on? All right. Got some shrimps and crabs. I'm ready to drain. I'm gonna pour it all in there and probably end up putting the turkey necks and the pig feet back up in there. We gotta check them and make sure they 100. All right, all right.
Mighty good, man.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get my wife over here to come check out these turkey necks and these pig feet. But if she say they need to go back in, we putting them back in. All right. All right, folks, this is the finished product right here. Corn, pig feet, turkey neck, potato, zumo sausage, shrimp, and we got the crabs. We got the sauce, the sauce that my wife, different sauce that she hooked up. It'll be a video on that coming soon. But yeah, this is what it is right here, cooking with the J-Dubs, and we about to get it in.